Baby is learning how to use the potty. Let's cheer them on and see what helps them succeed. Potty by Leslie Patricelli. I have to go potty. I could go in my diaper. Should I go in my diaper? I don't want to. What does Kitty do? Oh. What does Doggy do? Oh. I really have to go. Oh. Ha-E. Should I go in my potty? I could try. Oops. Bye-bye diaper. What's that? Tinkle, tinkle, toot. I did it. Hooray! Undies. What's something you do when you need to use the potty? Keep playing, hide, or tell a grown-up? The answer is tell a grown-up. Learning to use the potty is a big step toward growing up, and everyone learns in their own time.